Supplier tasks/notes. Here you can add a line of more details of action items related to this task, subscription, or contract. For an elevator permit, you could enter complete elevator inspection 60 days prior. For compliance management, you could add submit renewal application with proof of insurance. For vendor management, request new pricing proposal. Or since this is not a required field, you can also leave it blank. Website or email address. Here you can enter the website related to the task, subscription, or contract. If you renew permits online through your city or county portal, simply paste that link here. You can also add the vendor websites or portals to help you easily log into an account. Save yourself the pain of reinventing the wheel every year. Enter it once here and update the data if it changes. Also, if you have an email address to send contract renewals or cancellation notices to, you can put it here or in the reminder notes section. For operations management purposes, give yourself breadcrumbs. If you have reminder renew set, make an effort to improve your details in each reminder every year, so each time a reminder comes up, you can easily see what to do and how you did it before. Phone number. This is not a required field, so you can leave this blank. The purpose of this section is to store any relevant phone numbers associated with this task or reminder. You can add a main customer service number or even add your rep's direct number for faster service. For subscription management, some SaaS companies require you to call to cancel. Add that number here so you're prepared.